Welcome back, guys. And in Samsung Mobile, if you want that, if you are expecting some important messages on WhatsApp, Instagram, then you can set the reminders. Means as soon as you will get that message in that app, the app will give you notifications, and if in case you are not able to notice that notification at that particular time, it will get reminders after the time you will set here. How will you set here? I am going to explain in this video. Suppose you are wanting to set the reminder for WhatsApp. Go to the settings, go to the notifications, go to the advanced settings. First show snooze button, it can be turned on, or and notification reminder, just turn it on. Here you can select, and here just go turn off all the apps and only search WhatsApp. Go below WhatsApp. Now notifications for WhatsApp is on, and you will get periodic reminders about the notifications from WhatsApp and services. You should clear these notifications to stop the reminders. But if you are getting irritated by continuous beep sound, continuous notification sounds of the WhatsApp, just turn it off. This is what I wanted to tell in this video. If you like the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.